Do you want to know how you can log into your Fliki AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how exactly can you log into your Fliki AI account. Go ahead and open any kind of browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for Fliki AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Fliki AI, which helps you turn ideas into videos with AI voices. So you can use Fliki AI to turn anything into AI voices and videos. Go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right side of your corner, and you can see that you can log in using your Google account, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn and your email address as well. So you can choose whichever seems easy for you. Go ahead and choose Google and then click on your account. Now click continue, and in a while you can notice that you have logged into your Fliki AI account. It's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is select your medium of login, which is Google, Facebook, LinkedIn and your email address, and then you can select one and log into your Fliki AI account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Fliki AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.